Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to the Blacklist. So, my Manscaped order arrived this morning. I'm just going to show you the box. I've already taken the contents out, but it says, "Your balls will thank you," which I kind of think is kind of cool. It comes with this little leaflet, which I also think is really great because not everyone knows how to shave their balls if you don't do it all the time. So it says, charge your trimmer, which I'm doing at the moment. Use an upward angle like that, and then slow and steady wins the race, which I thought was actually kind of cool. So what did I get in my order? Well, I got this newspaper with like loads of funny articles like cleanse, get into position. So it's basically giving you instructions on what to do and how to do it. There's some funny little cartoons there as well, which is actually kind of cool. I don't know whether you guys can see that, but hopefully you can. I also got a pair of these special breathable Manscaped boxer shorts. Got Manscaped across the top. Nice breathable stretchy material, which is going to be good, especially in those hot summer months. I got some ball toner, which, yeah, okay. And I got some ball deodorant for sweaty balls. Awesome. I got another little cloth bag to like keep the lawnmower 3.0, which is kind of good because I've already got a cloth bag for the weed whacker, and I got the extra little crop tool that comes with the lawnmower 3.0. And at the moment they're running this free gift where they give you a travel bag for it all. It's a nice leather travel bag with Manscaped across it, which is really great. And I also got the lawnmower 3.0, and I got the charging dock to go with it. It came reasonably quickly as well. The delivery was really good. It came within 3 days of me ordering it. I'm just going to pop the lawnmower 3.0. So I've got everything now, guys. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I'm unshaven and things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go away. I'm going to shave everywhere. I'm trying to be a bit quiet because, you know, the missus next door. Right. So I'm going to go away. I'm going to shave. I'm going to actually shave my sideburns as well using the lawnmower 3.0. And then I'm going to come back and tell you exactly what I think of it. And see if I either give it a thumbs up or a great big thumbs down. We'll have to wait to see. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to the Blacklist. So obviously I've tested out Lawnmower 3.0. It's absolutely fantastic. It's the best male grooming tool I've used. I mean, it has this guide comb, so you're guaranteed to get all the hairs in the first pass. You don't have to keep going over the same area constantly, which we all know can end up in sores and things like that. It has a 7,000 RPM motor, which again means that, you know, you get all the hairs in one cut. It's got skin safe technology, so you don't get any nicks or cuts or anything like that, just like the adverts say on the Manscaped website. It has a lovely little guide light, if I can just show you. So you can see the guide light there. So that means all those hard to reach places you can't really see, so you've got to move your sack around and all the rest of it. It makes it easy, so you haven't got all that drama. I would suggest that you take your time with it. It's not a race. It's, you know, take your time and you'll get all the hairs first time. Also, you may notice that the LED at the bottom is constantly on when it's in use. Now, when it charges, it flashes constantly. Okay, so but when it's fully charged, the LED will stay lit. So that's just a little bit of information. Now, it says it takes 90 minutes to charge, but in actuality, when I got it and got it out of the box and charged it up, it took about 40 minutes to fully charge. So it was fully charged for 40 minutes, so then you've got an hour and a half to charge. Now, that is absolutely brilliant, but the thing that I liked was the ball deodorant. Now, it comes in a cream that you just obviously rub on your balls. But it's not too overpowering. It's not perfume. So after you've, you know, shaved your balls, it doesn't sting because your pores aren't open because you haven't had to go over the same spot constantly. It's just absolutely great. And I also got some ball toner, which I sprayed on as well, which is actually quite nice. And it all came in this lovely little travel bag, as I showed you before. But this lovely little travel bag is just so nice. So if you're going away for a trip somewhere, you know, you can take it with you. Because, to be honest with you, I got a little bit too comfortable in lockdown, let's face it. You know, we all probably did, sitting around the house if you were on furlough or whatever. So that was absolutely fantastic. I also used the newspaper, which I thought was a great bit of fun. It came with some lovely little cartoons on it. If I just reach down here and show it to you. So the headline is, "We save balls." You know, that's quite fun. And like it's got a thing on the back where it says you know, refresh. It's obviously meaning the deodorant, and then curb the humidity, which I thought was another great thing. And it's even got instructions for how to show you how to stand on the newspaper. It's got great little things like that. So fresh, so clean. Dear Harry, I have a problem with of a delicate nature. I hope you can help me. You see, I am not so proud owner of a tail, yes, a real, what's that say? I can't even pronounce that. I tried everything to hide it, but it's just a little joke. And then you've got just loads of little jokes, loads of little limericks in here. You know, it's got safety on the job and things like that. So it's basically an ode to you know, what Manscaped are trying to achieve, which is, you know, the ultimate male grooming tool. It's really easy to take apart and clean as well. If you want to take apart and clean it and, you know, get all the hair out, it's really easy to do, not too difficult to do. I mean, if I can manage it and I'm not very tech savvy, then you can certainly manage it as well. But in short, guys, absolutely fantastic product. Can't recommend the Lawnmower 3.0 enough. Just absolutely brilliant. So if you haven't got one, go and get one. It's well worth it. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed the review on my Manscaped products. And yeah, just smash that subscribe button and smash that like button. All right, guys, catch you soon. Bye.